I feel very happy and proud to accept this year's runner-up ISGAN Award of Excellence for the team of the German demonstration in Eu-Sysflex project. It is a great honor for MITNETZ Strom, the E.ON Group and our partners in the demonstration. Thank you to the ISGAN jury for awarding us and recognizing our efforts and innovative approaches. Future-proofing the grid operation via advanced digitalization and IoT. That is this year's theme of the ISGAN Award. And that is exactly what we are doing in the German demonstration of Eu-Sysflex. Our demonstration is located in the grid area of MITNETZ Strom. MITNETZ Strom is a distribution system operator of the E.ON Group in the eastern part of Germany. The demonstration is designed to show how flexibilities from decentralized power generation can provide support to the high voltage distribution grid, as well as can be provided from the DSO to the extra high voltage grid of the transmission system operator, without negatively affecting the distribution grid. This is a major challenge for distribution system operators, since the majority of renewables are connected to the distribution grid. Therefore, on the one hand, a new process to include renewable energy resources in both congestion management and voltage control is being demonstrated. On the other hand, the necessary tools for this implementation into the grid operation were developed and are being tested now. The following video illustrates our approach.
The European Union has the goal to cover more than 50% of our electricity consumption by renewables in 2030. Germany is even more ambitious and aims at 65%. This energy transition creates technical challenges and can lead to bottlenecks in the grid. In the past, the conventional power plants were used to solve these bottlenecks with so-called redispatch measures. As conventional plants in the transmission grid are being replaced by renewables mostly connected to the distribution grid, the system's flexibility potential is reaching its limits. As an emergency measure, renewable plants are being shut down to prevent potential power outages. In the future, renewable energy plants in the distribution grid will need to support the grid stability in order to deal with increasing challenges. This is what E.ON, MITNETZ and their partners are testing within the German demonstrator of Eu-Sysflex. We aim at showing how flexibilities from renewables can support the electricity system. This cannot be done without innovative tools. Our solution? We, as the distribution system operator, the DSO, use artificial intelligence to enhance forecasting of weather and grid situations. We predict the availability of flexibilities by calculating the data input up to 48 hours in advance. We guarantee the availability of flexibilities by optimizing the power flow of active and reactive power. This information is submitted to the transmission system operator, the TSO. If the TSO needs flexibilities, he sends the request to the DSO. The DSO then takes care of its fulfillment. This process, that has never been tested before, will be decisive for a secure and cost-efficient grid operation in the future. And what is even more important, it will lead the way for a better integration of renewable energies in the future. We believe in a renewable energy world and are shaping a sustainable future.
You have seen the explanation in the video. But what is the differentiation of our project compared to the other related projects? The technical readiness level of our solution is close to meet the requirements of use in daily operation in grid control center, with a high demand in reliability and uptime. With our results as seen in the video, we gain knowledge about innovative system operation, flexibility optimization, forecasting, data management, flexibility market options and many more aspects to tackle the challenges that are arising in the transition of the energy system. Digitalization is one of the key enablers to create a decarbonized energy system. The German demonstration of Eu-Sysflex is only one of several examples in our grid and the whole E.ON. In the end, intelligent, interconnected and flexible grid infrastructures are the basis to a future energy system based on centralized renewable energies. The transformation of the energy sector can only succeed if data is interlinked and used as effective as possible to support distribution networks and the fluctuation of the weather-dependent generation from renewables and the consumption. At E.ON and MITNETZ we have committed ourselves to drive this transition because we provide the infrastructure for it. The challenges we face are quite similar around the world. To ensure enhancement of knowledge and best practice transfer, international platforms and consortiums like the International Smart Grid Action Network are key to facilitate the transformation with efficient use of smart grid technologies. Altogether, we shape a sustainable future.